96. A patient receives 750 milliliters of a 10% W over V aqueous glucose solution. How many grams of glucose does the patient receive? And how many moles of glucose does the patient receive? Well, if you got 10% glucose, W over V, that means for every 10 W's, there are 100 V's. That's how you interpret those percent-based concentration units again. This is W over V, so if you got 100 milliliters, then there are 10 grams of glucose. 10 W's for every 100 V's. That's a percent, W over V. So this tells you the relation between grams of solute and milliliters of solution. We can use it as a conversion factor. So if the patient gets to 750 milliliters, then we can figure out how many grams is in there. For every 100 milliliters, there's 10 grams. So take your 750 milliliters, and then use this relation to get from milliliters to grams, build the conversion factor, the milliliters cancel, you're left with grams, and the calculation's pretty simple. It comes out to 75 grams of glucose. Quite a lot of glucose. If you want to do moles, if you want to figure out how many moles that is, you need the molar mass, and this problem gives it to you. Okay, you could calculate it yourself. Glucose is C6H12O6. So you could add up 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, and this problem already gives you the answer though. So let's just use this, 75 grams, and 1 mole is 180.2 grams. So the grams cancel, you're left with moles, and the calculation gives you 0.416 moles, which rounds to 0.42 moles of glucose.